please subscribe our video. Yes, 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 yes!
Hey guys!
Welcome back.
Thank you so much for being with us. Today we have super duper fun
I
competition
found the
with Mila.
bottle. It's only a pet bottle.
Oh yeah?
So,
Okay. So let's see who is going to be the winner. Mommy or Mila? Mommy against Mila. Who's going to win, you think? You?
what about this road? I said Halloween or Mommy or Princess or Mila. Let's see who's gonna
Let's
win.
see. Okay, you wanna know how we're gonna play? So
Yes.
guys, here is the tray with
I want this
water. Which one is yours?
This
Pick
one.
yours. Okay. Mine is yellow one. The first one who is blowing, whose boat reach this point, the winner. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let me put together. Wait. Ready? Steady, go! You're the winner! You like this game?
Yeah,
wanna
let's
do
do
it
it
again?
again.
Okay.
Switch.
Oh, we are switching? Okay. Wait. Ready, steady, go! Did you like this game?
Yes, that's a funny game.
That was funny one? Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'm going like this.
What straw you want?
Pink.
Inside square, Mila. We are not inside the square. No, that's cheating. Good job. Well, what about these two? Why?
Wow!
Next game, guys. That is so easy too. But Mila is having so much fun. Ready?
Set.
Go! No hands. Blue more. Wow! You are the winner! Wow! I can't believe it!
Yes!
Last game, okay? Which one you want?
This one.
Okay. What color is that?
Red. Красный.
А это?
Orange.
Оранжевый.
Orange.
Okay, so that's your straw. So here, mommy made the fish. Fish. So let's put all fish here. And you know what we gotta do?
Why?
Using the straw, you gotta take them. Look. No, when you drink a juice. Yes, like that. Okay, do it. Now it's too hard. We gotta practice more, right? We gotta practice more.
The lowest. You want to do it on the lowest too? Okay.
Show how to do it. That's cool.
Okay, no, like this.
Oi,
Now I am a hamster.
you're a hamster.
Now I am
Guys,
a
if you have some toys that are laying around the house and kids don't want to play with them, please leave the comment below the video, and we will come up with some good ideas to play with all toys.
Bye bye. Please subscribe.
That is a beautiful song.
I ever seen before.
That's the most beautiful song I ever heard in my life.